everyone. So I know it's been a while since my last video and I've had so much going on. I had to replace my computer. It's like almost midnight. I'm just now learning Adobe Premiere and this whole voiceover thing. I actually have absolutely no idea what I'm doing, but I thought the main thing is that I just get this video done and show you guys what my mom and I have been up to. So these are our latest kits. This is our junk journal kit, and in each kit we include a thank you gift, just a way of saying thank you so much for the support for the business. We love you guys, and so we always try to show our thanks and include something, a little extra something. And then there's an ephemera pack included in the kit. This comes in a nice pocket envelope, and inside we have various cards, envelopes, tags. There's some journal cards. These are all wonderful for adding elements to your journal pages and also providing journaling space so you can make them pretty yet functional. And with that, I have some exciting news. So I created some journal pages. They're already done. The videos are going to be ready to go here in a few days, and I'm going to be showing you all how you can create journal pages using just the items from this kit. I know I have had so many people ask me to do more journal page tutorials, so I'm just really excited to share with you guys the video series that I'll be doing, showing you, I think there's 3-4 different journal pages that I did, maybe more. I did a complete signature, and so I will be uploading those videos after this one. And if you're just getting into journal making and you've always wanted to learn how to make journals, these are going to be wonderful videos for you to learn from. If you are already, an advanced journal maker, I think they're still going to be wonderful for you guys as well. I found that because I was limited with the items that I was using, it really stretched my whole way, my creative thinking and creative process, because I was limited in the items that I was using. So I found different ways of building pages and hinging pages together, and I cover all that in those videos. And so if you have not subscribed, be sure to subscribe so you get the notifications of those upcoming videos. So this is the ephemera pack that comes in the kit. It's jam-packed full, as I said, and there's so much more to show you guys here that comes in this kit. So if you guys have seen any of our previous kits, we always like to include a goodie bag, and it's normally filled with some lace trims. We have some strands of pearls, metal key lock embellishment, or we might include other different metal embellishments. This bling, I use this bling so much. I love it. It gives that added detail to your pages. And then some lovely wooden buttons. And then we have, I love these ones. These are some heart-shaped wooden buttons. Loved those. I'm gonna have to find out where my mom got those. And then a cameo. And then we have some pink and white lace trim and some strands of pearls, as well as a resin flower button, and then some of these heart-shaped crystal buttons. Now I do want to mention that in the kits, as far as some of the trims or papers, you might get different colors or different designs, but you'll get the same amount in each kit. But I think as far as the envelopes and tags, those staple items, those are all going to be pretty much the same in each kit. It's just some of the fabrics and trims and printed collections that might vary slightly. So I'm showing now some of the fabrics that come in the kit. They are all vintage looking and they scream those vintage colors, which I love. And then I'm pointing out here that my mom did take shears when she cut the fabrics so the edges would not fray. Just those little added details that we like to add in our kits. And then here we have 2 scanned digital prints of cabinet cards. So now I'll be showing some of the additional items such as the bags that are included and some of the vintage pages. You'll see some vintage flower themed book pages. Here's another envelope and a lunch bag. These are wonderful. I show how to create pockets and different tuck spots using those. Here we have some vintage recipe cards and then some flower themed book pages that I was commenting about earlier. And I love the titles in these book pages. I'm sure I'll be using those. And then here are some of the digital prints, or I should say the digital collection prints. I think I must go back and show those because we're moving right along. We're on to music sheets. I haven't quite got this whole voiceover thing down quite yet, but trying to keep up here with myself. Okay, and then we have some 6x6 cardstock papers, and this looks like some more vintage book pages. These would probably go really good with those vintage recipe cards, so I might have to do a cook theme or recipe themed journal page with those. And then I think this is some vellum paper. It has a really nice texture. As you guys know, I love to use different papers, weights, textures in my journals. So we include some of those in this kit. And then we have this speed letter page. I am not quite sure. Is this from like the 50s, 60s? All I can think of is like shorthand. I don't know what a speed letter is, you guys, so I'm assuming it's vintage. If it's not, I'm sure I'll be getting comments from you guys letting me know exactly what a speed letter is, but it says message, reply, I don't know. Anyways, it's a cool page and it comes in the kit. And then we have a vintage calendar planner page there. And moving on to some of the laser prints from the digital collections. And I think this one has a lot of the collaged rose and Paris rose collections. You can find the entire collections at my dreamsetc.com site if you're interested in looking at the full collection of everything that comes with these collections. I think there's just a few pages of each from the collection in this kit. So you saw a few of the design papers, and here's some of the envelopes. And then we have another bag with, these, you guys. Oh, I have to tell you, my mom's coffee stained papers are the best because she scents them with pure vanilla, so they smell like coffee and vanilla. I don't know if it gets any better. They just, all you mainly smell is not even so much the coffee, but the vanilla scent. And so they are so yummy. Love her coffee stained papers. And then we have some book plates here. Vintage book plate illustrations. And more music sheet paper. And then this is from one of my lined digital paper collections. And this is from Vintage Love Story 2. and just a digital design of lined paper. And this is from, oh, well, that one's from Paris Rose. The previous one is from Parisian Charm, I believe. And now we have some 12 by 12 double-sided cardstock papers. I believe most of these are from Prima, because my mom and I have quite a stash. We buy quite a bit from Prima. I love the weight of their cardstock papers, and they're just a really nice quality. And as you guys know, well, okay, I'll come back to that for a second, because I want to go over this paper here. It's a stitched specialty paper from Prima, and these are wonderful papers. It's kind of fabric like, and I believe they retail for around $3.50. So you guys are getting a great value with this kit. They're wonderful papers, very high quality, and yeah, I think you'll get 2 of those stitched papers in this kit. So going back to the high quality cardstock papers from Prima, Blue Fern, as you guys may know, if you saw the interview that Gail Augustinelli and I did together, she's so cute, you know that I just started designing for Blue Fern, and we are getting ready to release the first collection coming out soon. I was hoping to have it out this month, but we're just working on some final details with the printers, and then it's going to be launched. So I hope that will be coming in the next few weeks. You guys got to keep a lookout. The papers are amazing, super high quality. They're printed in the USA in Tucson. Oh, you guys are gonna love them. Okay, so going back to the kit, here's another stitched paper that I was talking about. And this one is a flocked paper. It's got wonderful texture to it. It's all raised and kind of embossed. And so those are the 12 by 12 cardstock papers that you will get in your kit. So you have lots that you can work with. And then of course you have the front and back covers. These are covers that my mom has taken from books that she gets from the library, and she tries to repurpose them or salvage them. Some books I think might get destroyed, so we saved them. We saved them from that. But they're nice. Again, they're really high quality book covers, and they work wonderfully in creating your journal. As far as creating a spine, I am going to try to do a video. I can't promise anything, you guys. I have just a crazy busy schedule. It's insane. But if I can squeeze in some time, I will try to show how to make a spine for the journal. If not, I do have a previous journal that I did for a recipe album. I show you how you can create a spine from that video, and you can check that out. And I'm sure there's lots of other YouTube videos from other amazing, talented journal makers that you can also check out if I'm not able to get one done. But stay tuned for those upcoming videos that show you how I create the journal pages using items from this kit. I think you guys are gonna love them. So thank you guys for watching. Again, please subscribe if you haven't already. And also, if you haven't subscribed to the newsletter, check that out. You can subscribe by going to dreamsetc.com. I send out monthly, or at least I try to send out a monthly newsletter, and it includes coupons, promos, and freebies, and they do not go public, so it's exclusive to the newsletter subscribers. So be sure to check that out. If you guys have any questions, as always, feel free to leave me a message. And if I don't get back to you right away, just shoot me another message. I'm just really busy, but I do try my absolute best to answer each and every email and post that I see. So thank you guys so much for all the support, and thank you for watching.